All right, this is a week after my buddy hooked our O.B.McClintock clock up, and I'm gonna wind it. I never have before. Keeping perfect time though. Has that nice definite sound. There's so much light out there. Excuse me, close this door. These are cool because the case has this key that unlocks that. There's one down here too. Yeah. Case slightly rubs because again this was made for it. There's the 85E, he said it was. Seth Thomas. Now I think the original people had lost the key and some other clockmaker had somehow put this thing together, and my guy put this rubber thing on there because he said whoever was winding it was scratching this porcelain right here, and then even put, I don't know if he put that red on there. Again, I've never wound it. I'm trying to hold this. He said you can't overwind it. Doing this one-handed is a pretty, he said these springs are super strong. But anyway, we're enjoying it. Nice little addition in here. I don't know, I guess that's the original key, but that's a pretty nice little feature. I just leave that up there. Little dog sitting right here behind me. Me and my shadow. Step on her. Pupper. Good girl. Alrighty. Take it easy.